Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to solve crashing apps on Android. Apps crashing on Android can happen because of bugs, low storage, outdated software, or corrupted app data. Many crashes can be fixed with a few simple troubleshooting steps on the phone. The exact menus may vary depending on your Android version and device brand. To begin, unlock your Android phone and go to the home screen. Then close the app that keeps crashing. Reopen the app to see if the issue continues. Restart your Android phone completely. Then open the settings on your device, tap Apps or Applications. Then go to All Apps. Choose the app that is crashing. Then tap Force Stop to fully close it. Tap Storage inside the app settings. Then select Clear Cache to remove temporary files. Check your phone's storage and free up space if low. Update the app using the Google Play Store. Update your Android system software and settings. Uninstall and reinstall the app if it still crashes. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.